Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Welcome you all in this computer application class. Okay, so let's start our today's session. In last session, we have finished our second chapter. I hope you have done the copy work. Yes or no? I'm guessing you are saying yes. Okay, if you have done your copy work, so be ready for the next chapter. The next chapter is, as I told for the first semester, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is Spreadsheet and Introduction. In this chapter, we are going to get introduced with the MS Excel. I hope you have heard about MS Excel little bit. In lower classes, you have done the practice over the MS Excel. Good. So in this session, what we will do, we will introduce with this MS Excel. We will come to know some features of MS Excel. We will come to know how we will start the work with MS Excel. So let's start our today's session. Chapter 5 is dealing with MS Excel. Before MS Excel, you can say one word is in front of you. This is a spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? If I ask, so what answer you will get? What is a spreadsheet? See, from the evolution of computer, there was developed the need of softwares. Many softwares, means thousands, crores of softwares were developed, are developed and will be being developed. So with the advancement of computer technology, the requirement of softwares day by day increased in earlier time. And that time there were no software to handle the office work, especially the collection of data and the working over the collection of data. That time the concept of a spreadsheet came in the market. So a spreadsheet, in the starting, a spreadsheet came with the name of VisiCalc and Lotus 123. That was earlier school curriculum, school syllabus, but now it is out from the market. So a spreadsheet introduced with the purpose that we have to perform the office work, we have to collect data, we have to organize the data in tabular form, and we have to perform the particular operations like how we can find the data, how we can arrange the data, how we can get out the data, retrieve the information for a particular person. So these kinds of all work are done on the spreadsheet. So in the starting, the spreadsheet were introduced with the name VisiCalc. It was not the product of Microsoft, it was another company product. It was the first spreadsheet introduced in the market. VisiCalc, VISICALC. Next was there Lotus 123. That many years was the syllabus of your school curriculum. Later, what happened when MS Office didn't? So they introduced a very good software application in the market as a spreadsheet. That's name is Excel. But still one question is there. I have not told till now. What is a spreadsheet? I have told everything about a spreadsheet, but what is it? Any idea? Okay, I tell you again. A spreadsheet is an application software. See, spreadsheet is an interactive computer application or application software for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in tabular form. So when you have to work with data, if I tell data, students, you will come to know nowadays who have a lots of data is the richest person of the world. In modern era, there is no value of money. If you have a lots of money, so no problem. Anyone who is having data will be richer than you. This is the era that is working over the data. All the data, if I get the simple information like Google is the company that you can say the richest company in the world, because Google has a lots of data. The person who is using Google and related applications in the market, and using this data, Google can earn any time a lots of money, and many companies are there who is earning on the basis of only data. So data is that. Data is what? If I explain in your label, so I will tell data means your name, your address, your contact number, your email ID, your father name, your mother name. A normal structure of data is this. Get it? So this way, this spreadsheet is going to help us to organize the data, and after organize, you understand, to collect the data. To collect the data, after collecting data in a particular form, we have to organize, we have to analyze. If we are needed to perform any operation like calculation, like retrieving of data, so we can perform it. Next is there, we can store the same data for future use. So a spreadsheet is providing us the facility to make an interaction with the computer in table form. Table form, you understand, in the form of rows and columns. And the example is in current market, that is MS Excel, very popular. That is your syllabus application. So we have to start with MS Excel. Before starting with MS Excel, I would like to tell you, suppose someone is asking what is MS Excel. So you can now define MS Excel is a spreadsheet. All at once, one definition. MS Excel is a spreadsheet, and whatever definition is there for a spreadsheet, the same will be applied for MS Excel. So how the definition can be done this way? MS Excel is an interactive computer application for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in tabular form. Get it? So this way you can also develop a MS Excel definition, but few more can be added. MS Excel is the product of Microsoft Corporation Limited, a company that normally known as one of the richest company of the world. The ownership by Bill Gates, a well-known name you all are knowing, the founder of Microsoft Corporation. So this is the product of Microsoft Corporation. That's why MS it is called Microsoft Excel. Next, this particular software is not only providing a spreadsheet facility as it was introduced in the starting, but nowadays it is more advanced, more you can say feature including in its programming, in its application. So Microsoft has a set of application that is called MS Office. Among all application, one application is there, that is a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is the application that means MS Excel, that is the application that help us to work same as a spreadsheet and with some more features. So you can explain, how you will explain in your terms. MS Excel is a application software of Microsoft Office package developed by Microsoft Corporation, USA. It is a computer application which is for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in tabular form. It means in rows and column form. There are some features of Excel that makes Excel, you can say, very unique in the market, and that make it very popular in the market. And what are those? See, first is Excel has varieties of inbuilt functions. Inbuilt function, if I would tell you. So you just compare. You have done work in QBasic. Say yes. Yes. In 6th class, you have practiced over QBasic. When we use let is a predefined code. You call it CLS is a predefined code. You call it in your program. And after that, when your program execute to CLS, delete your screen result that is already there on the terminal window. Is it happening? Yes, it is happening. So why it is done? Because CLS is already defined for a purpose. Same way in MS Excel, there are so many functions are there. Functions, you can say a set of commands with a name. Commands under a name that will perform some operation for you. For example, sum, average finding, minimum maximum finding, means financial calculation. So many functions are there. So Excel allows us to use inbuilt functions that we can work faster than other applications, than normal way. Next is there, it has a very good formatting features. Formatting features means appearance. When you will enter data, how your data will appear on the screen. I will show you today only what are these features mean. When you are going to use this Excel, so Excel, you enter data first in tabular form. So data can be in normal way. You want to arrange them, you want to make it italic, you want to make it bold, you want to make it underline, you want to color it, you want to increase its size, you want to change the font language. So all things are possible using formatting features. Means if you have to change the appearance of the Excel data, so you can use formatting features. Hope clear? Next, automatic recalculation. You will observe when we are going to perform a sequential calculation. For example, we are going to add some numbers. We have entered the numbers in row wise, in column wise. And after that, we have selected a particular row and we have added. After addition, if in between the range of the values, any new number has been added, Excel automatically change the result by performing automatic calculation itself. Are you getting? Means when you are getting a range value, you are performing some functions, what result is there, that result will automatic change if you are including another number in between the range of the numbers. Clear? I'll show you in upcoming examples. Next is there, if you have to search data, so searching is very faster here. You can use so many techniques are there through which you can arrange the data in ascending and descending order. This way your fasting can be easier, can be faster. Next, if you want to fill a series, so like 1 2 3 4 10 20 30, Sunday Monday Tuesday, January February March, or any such series you want to make, you need not to worry. Autofill feature is going to help you. You just initialize with 2 starting values and other values automatically will be filled with the set of instructions. You have to follow a certain steps that will be easier for making, you can say, a particular series on your system. Means if you have to type the numbers 1 to 100, so it will take 100 typing. It will take the time of 100 typing. But you don't worry, you just type starting to 1 and 2 and you will follow a certain steps. I will show you a particular length of series, a particular size of series with a little practice. Clear? So your working will be faster. Next, whatever data you have used, suppose you have used your school information, for example, school ID, student's name, student's class, student's section, student's father name, student's mother name, student's address, contact. This data, students' average marks. These data you can also convert in graphical form. Graphical form means you can use charts. Various charts are available that will help you to analyze the data in much better way, much easier way, much faster way than your normal data. So this way we can use MS Excel for graphical representing of data. Now question is that how MS Excel looks like. So if I will open MS Excel, so first you should learn the steps. I have directly I am showing you what steps you are following. I have not made the presentation for that, but I have thought I will show you directly how we will work with the computer for making the use of Excel. First, you will go for this window, this window, this button, start button, where this window icon is there, and you will click it. You will get a list. You drag your scroll button in your mouse and go downside. You search Excel will be there. If not there, then you will search MS Office. In MS Office, there will be Excel. See, Excel is there. One option, go in MS Office, search there from the Excel. Otherwise, you can directly type here EXCEL. So you will get a front. In this, you will not open any other thing. You will directly click on blank workbook. Are you observing? See, this screen is divided in multiple parts. Multiple parts are there, but we will go one by one for each part. Starting steps are clear for all. You can revise the video after completion and you can see the starting steps. Again, after that, you will what do? We will introduce with this particular, you can say, screen. This total screen is called whatever open. This is called bar is coming. This is called title bar. Every time Excel is opened with a book name, book 1, book 2, book 3, like that. Book is going to represent a set of a spreadsheet. Book is going to represent in Excel a set of a spreadsheet. Question is that what is a spread? This is a spreadsheet. This is our spreadsheet. Are you getting? So this way you are getting this title bar containing book name, and here will be the book, whatever you will spreadsheet name you will give, that will be written just after this. Next, right side minimize button, restore button and close button. After that, here will be quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is used for performing certain operations faster. These are the operations which we can apply in the quick access toolbar, and those operations we can perform much faster than the normal way, called this set of menu. This bar is called menu bar, and each object appearing here, you just different menus. Some change is there. See, you are getting your screen. After that, next option you are observing downside, this area where so many small options are there, so many parts are there, if you observe one by one. So let's see this part. This starting part means menu. Each menu contains a set of features. Menu means list of features, and each list is going to have a lots of features belonging from their category, their name. Suppose I click here home. Home is a menu that is going to give us, home is a menu that is going to give us See, I hope it is visible. Okay, home is the menu that is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 categories. And these 7 categories contain so many important features which is used for performing various operations. For example, suppose you have to perform cut, copy, format, painting, paste option, you will use the clipboard category. You have to perform formatting related option, as I told, formatting related options. So you will apply font, alignment, number, style, cells. If you have to perform some editing, for formatting, 4 are there: font, alignment, number, and styles. And for editing purpose, means for making any change, if you want to make, like inserting cells, inserting rows, inserting columns, deleting cells, deleting rows, and deleting columns, format tables, and some more editing options if you want to apply, want to make any change in the spreadsheet. So these categories are there. So one by one we will see all this. A faster you can say explanation you can do. Each menu contains varieties of features, and features are arranged in the bar. This bar is called a ribbon, toolbar or ribbon bar. Normally it is called tool ribbon. Which tool? Home ribbon. Next, insert ribbon. Next, page layout ribbon. Next, formula ribbon or formula bar, you can say data bar or data ribbon. Review ribbon or review bar. View ribbon or view bar. So you will see when I click here menu, different menu, to various options are changing. This is why, because each menu contains a different features. So whenever I am changing this menu, the features are changing, and they are represented in the form of small icons on the this particular toolbar. That is also called menu bar. Menu ribbon, particular menu ribbon. Insert ribbon, insert a page layout ribbon or page toolbar, formula toolbar, data toolbar, review toolbar, view toolbar, like that. After this, you will observe there is a small box at left hand side. This small box is called as address box. When you click on any cell, its address will be changed. What is address? I'll tell you. This is called formula bar. This a long bar is called formula bar. Whenever you type anything on Excel, you have to type a formula. It is automatically typed here. Means this formula bar and this sheet is default linked. They are internally linked. And when you type anything on your spreadsheet, automatically it is written in formula bar. And when you write anything in the formula bar, suppose I write anything in the formula bar, it is automatically written in the spreadsheet, in the selected cell. So this way they both are interlinked. I hope little bit clear with this introduction. Okay, now next option is that how we will start our work. What work we can start. Before starting, some more introduction is there. This is called this, you observe the pointer. This whatever I selected, this is called vertical block of cells. Means one unit, this single unit is called cell. You appear when anyone asking what is cell, so you will explain on a spreadsheet single block is called as cell. A small single unit of the spreadsheet is called as cell. And when you select the cell in vertical form, this is called column. Is it okay? When you select the cell in horizontal form, this set of cells are called as rows. What called? Rows. So this way we can understand what is column, vertical block of cells. What is row, horizontal block of cells. So this way rows and columns will be clear for you all. Next is there, suppose someone is asking what is ABC. Simple, this is column heading, column heading, column heading, column heading, column heading, column heading, and this is called row heading, row heading, row heading, row heading, row heading. So 1, 2, 3 is representing the row heading and ABCD is representing the column heading. Got it? Now, if someone is asking what is its last column name or column heading, so you what will do, from your keyboard you will press shift and you will press right arrow key, sorry, control and right arrow key, control and right arrow key, you will get the last column heading. What you will press, if you will you would have with the computer, you can practice or you can write somewhere, control and right arrow key will give you the last heading of the column, and left arrow key will let you on the first column. One more time, control right arrow key, control left arrow key, control plus right arrow key, control plus left arrow key. Next, suppose I want to see the last number of row. What is the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that? What is the last number of row? So again, control down arrow key, you will get the last number of row. So you will observe one spreadsheet is going to store more than 10 lakh, means 10 lakh 48,576 persons of complete data. Complete data means his name, his father name, mother name, grandfather name, grandmother name, uncle name, auntie name, one more uncle name, one more auntie name, address, 1 address, 2 address, 3 address, 4 address, contact number, 1 contact number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much data you want to include? You will include all such data can be inserted in one row. In one row. See how, which way? Name, contact number, address, mother name, father name, grandfather name, grandmother name, first address, second address, third address, contact number, first contact number, second, third, then is school name, class name, section name, first subject mark, second subject mark, third subject mark. Likewise, you will see a lots of columns you will get. It is 2048 columns you get in your Excel sheet. So one sheet is enabled with more than 2000 columns and more than 10 lakh rows, which make it a spreadsheet, large spreadsheet. There is a big collection of data be here if you desire, and this kind of multiple spreadsheet book, this book 1, 2, 3, anyone can contain. This book can contain the number of sheets according to available memory in the computer. Means not 1, not 2, even thousands sheets of this much size can be inserted in this book 1. How we will insert? You will see in downside this area, sheet number 1 is coming. If you have to insert a new sheet, you click on this plus sign, a new sheet will come. Its length will be also same, more than 10 lakh rows and more than 2000 columns. Next, another sheet you want, you can insert. Another sheet you want, you can insert. So this way, how much sheet you want to insert, it is depending on the memory of the computer. Hope clear? So this way, our means Excel screen, or you can say window introduction is there. Now we will see one by one again the components of this screen. See, first is cell. As I told, cell is the smallest individual unit or block of a spreadsheet. A rectangular block, a single unit of a spreadsheet is called as cell. This cell is also containing a definition. The intersection of column and row contain a block or generate a block. That block is also called cell. So select very carefully. You select any cell. After that, you first try the column name. This is the column name. H is the column name of this cell. And then you will go and search what is its row name. 5. So this cell number will be, cell address will be H5. Are you getting? H first column and then row. So this way we can identify any cell. For example, suppose I have to identify what will be this cell address D8. How clear? Now I have to identify this will be what? F4. Yes, you are correct if you are guessing. This what will be the address? J and 9. What will be the address of this? That will be N and 11. So hope address of cell is clear for all. Is it okay? Now, as I told, there is a box in this window that is called address box. When I select, you are not able to recognize any cell. So you don't recognize, you just see here. You will get the correct address. If your guessing is equivalent to this, so means you are able to guess the address. For example, suppose I click here, what is your means guess G and 4, same is coming G4. So this way we can recognize the cell address and also we can see our answer is correct or not. Clear? Next is there, so many cells are there in this sheet. You observe this is cell, this is cell, this is cell, this is cell, this is cell. Two types of cells are there. One, when I click any cell and this is selected, this is called active cell. What is called? Active cell. This cell is where I am writing right now and I have clicked. This cell is called active cell. Now this is not active. I have selected this, this is active. So what will be the in this cell? The cell which we are not working, they are called inactive cell. So you will observe these all are inactive cells and this is right now selected, that's why it is an active cell. So these terms I hope you are getting clear. Range is what? When you select any set of cells. Suppose I selected. How will you select? Simply. How will you select? See, when you select any set of cell, very simple option is there. Put your pointer in the starting of any cell and drag it diagonally. Diagonally, you understand? This way. So it will select a particular range. You can also select this way. This is column selection. This is row selection. This is diagonal selection. Okay, this way. Vertical. This is column selection. This is row selection. And this is diagonal selection. So when you have to select any area, you put your pointer in the starting cell and drag, means press left button of the mouse and start dragging in diagonal form. So it will generate a rectangular area or a square area. This is called the range. And range always contain a name. Suppose I select it, so it will contain a name. Very carefully you observe. Tell me, what is the first position or first cell number of left top most in the selected area? If I ask, so you will say the cell address is D and 3. Yes or no? D and 3. Clear? Now D and 3 is the, suppose I have to give the name out to this range. So we will write this way, D3. After that, you will find out the cell address of this right bottom most cell of this selected area. So you will get the cells of this as F, you will get as F and 14. So F and 14 will be the range last value, and D4 will be the D3 will be the starting cell. So how will you write the range value this way? See, you will write here equal to D3, okay, and F14. This way you can write the cell range address. Cell range address is always written, cell range address is always written see, yes, cell range address is always written with the help of this way. See, one more time, if I have to select a range, so I can also write here equal sign C2. See, automatically selection will be done. C22 we have written H11. See, automatic cell selection will be done. So this C2 and H11 is going to represent our this cell range. So either you select this way or select this way, means type here and select. Both are same. Only what is there here, you are calling address wise by typing, and here you are doing the same work with the help of mouse. So two options are there in the examination. Suppose question is asked, how can you select the range? So two options are there, using mouse and using a typing cell address. One more thing is there, one more option available here. And what is that? See, suppose I take a cell and I have to select it. So what next option you will apply? You will click on shift button, I am telling shift, and you start pressing down arrow key. So you will see slowly the one cell is going to be selected. Same way, right arrow key, a big range is going to select. Then left arrow key, you will come back. Got it? This way also you can select the range of cells. So how many options we have done? One more time. This last option one more time. Select any cell, press shift button, start pressing either left arrow key, right arrow key, down arrow key, up arrow key according to your selection. Which kind of selection you want. If you practice over the computer, you will come to know how the selection is done. But shift button will be pressed and hold, and then arrow keys will be pressed. So this way you can work over multiple selections of cell ranges. So how many selection styles we have seen? One, we have selected the range with the help of mouse. Second, we have selected the range with the help of typing in the formula bar, the cell address. And third, we have used shift and arrow key. Is it okay? Next, now we can see the downside. So many sheets are there. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and so many sheets are there. So if you want to replace any sheet in front of each other, see, you can place the sheet on any position. Now sheet 1, then 3, then 2, then 4. What to do? Just press your pointer here, means place your pointer here, press left key of the mouse and slowly drag it to your desired position of the sheet. See, 4, 1, 3, 2. Easier now? One more time. 1, drag it and hold it, and then leave. After placing, leave it. So this way you can work on Excel. So I hope this will be very clear for you all. You all have got today's topic, and please keep writing your question answers and keep practicing your binary calculations and conversions. So this way, till examination, you will be efficient, expert in calculations. So today, thank you for listening me, and this is end up for today's session. So have a nice day and good luck for you all.